Hello everyone, welcome to math classes. Let's solve question number 2 in exercise 4.2, chapter quadratic equations, class 10 NCERT maths. Solve the problems given in example 1. Already in the example 1 the same problems are there, but in that problems we didn't find the roots, we just wrote the quadratic equations. Now they are asking to find the roots. Solve the same problem again and find the roots. The question is, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. They both together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. That means John lost 5 marbles and Jivanti also lost 5 marbles. And the product of the number of marbles they have now is 124 after losing their marbles. The product of marbles with both of them is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. That means initially how many marbles they have. We should find that. Okay, let's solve the problem. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. They together have 45 marbles. That means we don't know how many marbles each have. John have how many marbles, Jivanti have how many marbles, individually we don't know. So let us assume that. Let number of marbles with John is X. Okay. And we don't know the number of marbles Jivanti have. So number of marbles with Jivanti is equal to Y. They have told together they have 4 marbles, 45 marbles. That means what? Together means X plus Y is equal to 45. They have given this, X plus Y is equal to 45. Together they have 45. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. That means both lost 5 marbles each. So after losing 5 marbles, number of marbles with John. John lost how many marbles? 5 marbles. So we should subtract. Initially he has X. So we should subtract 5 now. X minus 5. After losing 5 marbles, number of marbles with Jivanti is what? Jivanti initially have Y marbles. After losing 5 marbles means Y minus 5. Okay. Now the product of marbles they have given as 124. Product of marbles. After losing the marbles, product of their marbles is 124. So after losing the marbles, how many John have? X minus 5. Product means into Y minus 5 is equal to what they gave? 124. Product of the number of marbles after they lost the marbles is 124. Product means multiplication. So X minus 5 into Y minus 5 is equal to 124. Here we know that X plus Y is equal to 45. From this can we write Y is equal to 45 minus X. X is on left side of the equation. When it comes to right side it will become minus X. So let us substitute this. Y is equal to 45 minus X in this equation. So X minus 5 into Y is what? 45 minus X minus 5 is equal to 124. So you get what? X minus 5 into 45 minus 5 is what? 40. 40 minus X is equal to 124. X into 40 is 40x. X plus X. First X into 40 we did this. Then X into X. Plus into minus minus. X into X, X square. Then 5 into 40. Minus into plus minus. 5 into 40 is 200. Again. Minus 5 into minus X. Minus into minus is plus. 5 into X is 5x. Is equal to 124. If we write in the order of powers, you will get minus x square first. Next 40x plus 5x. What do you get? 45x. Here you have minus 200. Minus 200 plus 24. 124 is on right side of the equation. If it comes left side, it will become minus 124. So the equation will become minus x square plus 45x minus 324 is equal to 0. Okay, this is what equation? Quadratic equation. Why? Degree is 2. Degree means highest power of the variable. It is degree is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. Now they are asking to find number of marbles initially have. That means number of marbles initially the John is x. Jivanti is y. That means we need to find x. From this quadratic equation, how can you find x? By using factorization method. Splitting the middle term method, we can find this. Equation is what? Minus x square plus 45x minus 324 is equal to 0. Factorization method we do. How do we factorize this? By using splitting the middle term method. For that, what should we do? As discussed in the first question, we will take coefficient of x square, which is minus 1, into constant, it is minus 324. Minus into minus plus 324. 324 we should split into two numbers, n1 and n2. Product should be what? Product should be 324 and sum should be what? Coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here? 45. Coefficient of x is 45. So sum we should get 45. 324. How can we split this? Directly telling this is a big number, right? Directly telling the two numbers is bit difficult. We should write two table. 2 ones to 162. 2 1 into 160 is 324. But sum is not 45. So to solve this problem easily, find the prime factors of 324. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Next, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 3 9s are. Next, 3 3s are. So, prime factors of 324 is what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 3s you have. Now based on this, we will split. You take 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2 2s are 4. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 12 is 324. We should check the sum. 27 plus 12 is what? 20 plus 10 is 30. You get 39. Sum is 39. So we should get sum 45. So 12 and 27 cannot be taken. Let's see another way. Let's see. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. This we did it. Now let's see. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. If we take these 4 digits. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36. 3 3s are 9. 36 into 9 is 324. Let's do the sum. 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9 is what? 45. So if you take 36 and 9, product you are getting 324. 36 into 9 is 324. And sum 36 plus 9 is 45. So this is okay. So we should write middle term 45x will be split into 36x plus 9x. So minus x square plus 36x plus 9x minus 324 is equal to 0. Here you have x, here you have x square, in x square you will have an x. Here also x, so x can be taken as common. Let's take minus x as common. What do you get? Here you have minus. Minus into plus is minus. So here you will get plus. 1x already came outside, so we'll have 1x here. Then minus into what is plus? Here you have plus. You should get plus. Minus into plus. If you write here, it will become minus. Minus into minus is plus. So you should write minus. X already came outside. You will have 36 plus. In 9 table, you will get 324. Already here itself, you know that 36 into 9 is 324. So, 36 into 9 is 324. So, we can take 9 as common. X will be inside 9 into 36. So, in these two terms, if you observe, x minus 36 is same common. So, let us take x minus 36 common. What is left here? Minus x plus 9. Now, we got the factors of the quadratic equation. We need to find the value of x. That means roots x minus 36 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? 36. Next, minus x plus 9 is equal to 0. Minus x is equal to minus 9. X is equal to 9. So, roots of the quadratic equation we got what? 36 and 9. We got two values for x. One value is what? 36. Another value is 9. So, there are two roots for the quadratic equation, two distinct roots. If we assume the value of x is equal to 36, then y will become what? We already know that y is equal to what? 45 minus x. So, 45 minus 36, which is 9. So, initially they are asking how many marbles John and Jivanti has initially. So, number of marbles with John initially is 36. Number of marbles with Jivanti initially is 9. If we assume x as 9, x is equal to 9, then y is equal to what? 45 minus x. 45 minus 9, that means 36. So, here what did we get answer? The initial number of marbles with John is 9 and the number of marbles with Jivanti initial is 36. So, we got two answers. If marbles with John is 36, Jivanti will have 9. If marbles with John is 9, Jivanti will have 36. This is the answer. Second question. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, total cost of production was 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Let's start solving this. Cottage industry produces certain number of toys in a day. We don't know how many toys it will produce. Okay. So, first assume that let number of toys produced in a day, in one day. In a day means in one day is x. Okay. In one day it will produce x toys. They are telling cost of production of each toy. That means cost of production. Each toy means what? Cost of production of one toy is what? 55 minus number of toys produced in a day. We already assumed that number of toys produced in one day. In one day is what? X. So, 55 minus x. On a particular day, total cost of production is 750. On particular day. They are telling total cost of production. Total cost of production is what? Rupees 750. See, let us assume that chocolate is there. Dairy Milk chocolate is there. Okay. Cost of one chocolate is 10 rupees. We want to buy 3 chocolates. Okay. If you want to buy 3 chocolates, what is that? 3 into cost of one chocolate. That means number of chocolates into cost of one chocolate. Then you will get total amount you need to buy 3 chocolates. Similarly, here total cost of production. That means we need to know how many toys they will produce. They will produce X toys. In one day X toys into what? Cost of production of one toy. One toy. Here also what? Number of chocolates means count into cost of one chocolate we did here. Here also total toys they will produce on one day is X into cost of one toy. It is 55 minus X. They already gave this. Is equal to 750. X into 55 is 55X plus into minus. Minus X into X is X square. This plus 750, if it comes to left side, it will become minus 750 is equal to 0. If you want to write in the form of general form of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is order of powers of x, how should you write? Minus x square plus 55x minus 750 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. If you solve this equation, what do we get? Roots of x. Roots of x. They are asking to find what? Number of toys on that day. So the value of x. If you find the value of x, you will know the number of toys produced on that day. By solving this equation, if you factorize and then find the value of x, we will get the number of toys produced in the day. So let's factorize it. The equation is minus x square plus 55x minus 750 is equal to 0. Okay, we need to find x. So for that we should do factorization by using the splitting the middle term method. To split this middle term, what should you do? You should take coefficient of x square, which is minus 1 into what is constant? Minus 750. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 750 is 750. You should write 750 as, you should split into two numbers, n1 and n2. The product of n1 and n2 should be what? 750. Sum of the numbers should be what? Sum of the numbers n1 and 2. Coefficient of x, which is 55. So we should write 750 as product of two terms. 750 is a big number, right? So splitting is 15 3s are 75. 15 into 30 is 750. 15 plus 30 is, you get 45, but we need 55. So as this is a big number, let's write prime factors of this. Finding the two numbers is a bit difficult. If the number is 9, you can write 3 3s are 9, 1 9s are 9, like that. But 750 is a big number. To find two numbers is a bit difficult. That's why we will do prime factorization of that number. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25 and 50. 5 30s are 150. 5 6 are 30. 2 3s are 6. So 750 is equal to what? 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now let's see. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 into 25 is also 750. Now let's take the two numbers as 25 and 30. 25 into 30 is 750. So product is satisfied. Now take the sum. 25 plus 30. 25 plus 30 is what? 55. So sum is also satisfied. So how should you split 55x? 55 is what here? 25 plus 30 is 55. So 55x should be written as 25x plus 30x. Okay. Now minus x square plus 25x plus 30x minus 750 is equal to 0. X square means x into x. In the second term also you have x. So you can take x common. Let us take minus also common. Minus came outside. Minus into plus is minus. Here it is minus. Minus into plus is minus. X into x is x square. Here you should get plus. So minus into minus is plus. X already came outside, so you should get 25 inside. Then 30 and 25. How do you get? Yes, here already we know that 25 into 30 is 750. 25 into 30 is 750. So 30 can be taken as common. So what will remain? X minus 25 is equal to 0. In these two terms, x minus 25 is common, into minus x plus 30 is equal to 0. We got factors now. We need to find the value of x. So x minus 25 is equal to 0, x is equal to 25. That means number of toys is 25. Minus x plus 30 is equal to 0. Minus x is equal to minus 30. X is equal to 30. You got two roots to the equation, 25 and x 30. So the answer, number of toys, they are asking initially what are the number of toys. So answer is either 25 or 30. This is the answer to the question. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.